and welcome you all to another DIY, and to all the Pakistanis around the world, Happy Independence Day! Today we are creating this string art piece to celebrate our independence. Before getting into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you'll be notified about my future videos.
जीवे पाकिस्तान 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 जीवे पाकिस्तान 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 जीवे पाकिस्तान.
For this we'll need a wood piece. I'll take a piece around 1 feet by 1.5 feet. Some nails, you can find it from any shoemaker. A print of map. Here I tape 2 A4 size pages together and draw a map on it. You also need a hammer and a tape. Firstly, place the print on the wood and secure it with the tape. Now start nailing. Firstly, I start to put nails on the corner point, which ensures that our string art covers every corner of the map. Mostly professionals draw on graph papers and put the nails accordingly, but to make it easy, we are doing it randomly. When we are in school, we used to draw Pakistani map freehand, so our teacher told us that the upper part of the Pakistani map resembles to the face of lion. It just come into my head. Do you think so too? Comment down below. After nailing, I remove the paper. Firstly, I tear the sides. It will make it easy. And it is also my favorite part. Come on, who don't like to tear things? And for filling it up, I use these thick threads in dark and light green color. At start, I take the light green color and make a boundary around the map. I just take the thread, tie a knot on the first nail and start looping it around the nails to form a border. And at the end, I tie the thread to the start and close the border. For filling up the map, I use both colors of the thread together to get a perfect Pakistani green color. I just tie the start of the thread with a nail and randomly fill the shape. I don't follow any pattern, just fill the space. Well, for hanging, I put 2 nails on the top and take the thread and layer it 5 to 6 times and tie the corners to the nails. Your art piece is ready! If you like our video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also, Happy Independence Day!